All right, guys, we're down here in the workshop for Electric Fetish Guitars. We're about to do our first unboxing, as well as our first foray into international business and shipping. This package comes from Indonesia, all the way to Redondo Beach in California. That's where we're located. Now, I had to do a bunch of back and forth with the seller because we were negotiating prices, and basically I ordered things to get the price right, and then I had to message him so he knew exactly what I wanted. I'm pretty sure he knows what I wanted, so now it's whether or not he got it right. What we're looking for is, well, let's leave that as a surprise, huh? Okay, ready? Hope I don't kill myself here. Uh-oh. Hopefully this is what I ordered. This looks kind of suspicious right now. It almost looks like something that cartels might be involved with. Can you see? Struggling. I haven't cut myself yet. That's good. Alright, now I'm already a little nervous because I ordered 3 things and there's 2 boxes here, but hopefully he just packed them together. That's what I'm hoping. Okay.
Premium packaging.
Premium packaging, straight from Indonesia. Ooh, okay. Looking good so far. So we have here is a sustainer pickup in purple.
Smart.
Sick. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with sustainer pickups, but we'll go over the details later. Let's make sure we got this right. That was the light box. The heavy box. Hopefully there are 2 of them in here. Looks like there is.
Premium packaging.
And dude got it right. All right, I was a little nervous. Took some back and forth and some messaging. He wasn't clear at first, but so we have 3 of the same model.
Lime green. That looks good.
That's it. Oh, he got the colors right and everything. So it's a little bit marked up here, but I'm not that worried about that one.
Great businessman.
All right,
Look at
I'm
all this
impressed.
wiring.
Everything got here pretty quick. Some stickers. More stickers, yay. All right,